Learn how to create YouTube banner that will show well across all devices the right way, whether on mobile device, on computer, and on the web. Let's get right into it. The first step is to open your web browser and then visit canva.com. I'm going to visit canva.com here. I'm logged in automatically because I have my login details saved here. So, in your own end, if you're not logged in automatically, just log in with your Canva account details. Or if this is the first time you're using Canva, please sign up, okay? Then come down to this section and click and search for YouTube banner. Okay, you can see some search results show up here. So if you press the enter key, you will see a fuller options, okay? Okay, this returns some search results to us. But here we are going to choose a design or a template that will be easy for us to edit so that we don't pass through much stress. Example is this. This will save us well because we want to create a banner that will be visible on different devices, whether smartphone, on the web, or on the PC. Okay, that is what we want to create here. So whether you're using mobile or using tablet, we need something cool. This is still okay, but my channel is tech channel, so I'm going to look for something that is related to tech. Okay, this is related to tech. Okay, so you can see this area now that is here. Part of it we show on all devices. So that's why I'm capitalizing on this. This is still cool. All right, this is fine. Okay, because of this area, this rectangular area, that's what I'm concentrating on. Okay, so let's select this and edit the information. But remember, if you see any of these banners that has crown icon, note that they are not free. Anyone that has crown icon, but for example, this is not free because it's a pro. So you must be a subscriber to Canva for you to use it. Okay, so but let's just go ahead with our free version. So I'll click on customize this template. This takes us to this page to start the real thing. Okay, if you are viewing your YouTube channel on a TV, on a television, you'll be able to see this entire design. All right. If you're viewing it on a desktop, you will see this part. All right. This part here. But if you are viewing on a mobile, there is specific parts you are going to see. And this will take us to the next step we are going to take so that we create something that will be visible across all devices. Okay. Okay. So click on the file tab, select settings, then select show rulers and guides. Why we are doing this is because we need rulers to guide us on the steps we are going to take to create something that will be okay across all devices. Okay, then take your cursor to this place until you see the cursor change to two pointing ends, just as you can see on the screen right now. Then drag by pressing and holding on the left button of your mouse. Okay, you have to drag until you get to 507. It might be difficult for you to get to that, but to make it easy for us, what you need to do is come down to this area and zoom. You may need to even zoom to up to 75 or 80% because we need to get this right. Okay, then take your cursor here and then drag to this way. Remember, our interest is on 507. So take your cursor back here, then press and hold in the left button of your mouse until we get the 507 we need. If you are still finding it difficult, you zoom more. until we get this 547 that we want. Okay, I got the 547. And before I got that, I zoomed to 113. So you can go bigger, all right? Okay, now let's return back to normal. Okay, so we are going to create another ruler here. That is by this right margin. And it's going to be of the value of 2053. So as usual, take your cursor here and then press and hold on the left button of your mouse and then drag. Our interest is on 2053. As usual, we are finding it difficult to get that. So let's do our thing. So we come down to this area and then zoom again. Okay. Then we take our cursor here and then take it down. Then we go back to look for 2053. Good, we are there. So when you zoom, you get the value faster. So let's return back to normal. Okay, with this that we have done, we are going to create something that will be within this area. This is the safe area, okay? So don't go up here, don't go down here. So everything should be within this circle. And this is our guideline. This is true. Okay, so let's start. My channel name is Godwin Tech. So I'm going to start with that Godwin Tech. So what you're creating is going to be in accordance with what your channel is all about. Okay. So I will double click on this text and then replace it with Godwin Tech. Okay. So I can increase this. All right. I can click on it again. Then I can remove this because I'm going to design my own in a unique way. I will remove this. I'll remove this. So click on it, backspace key, and it's gone. All right. So this guy, I'm going to drag him to this side because I don't need him for now. So when I need him, I'll bring him in. Remember, these are our safe areas. So you don't go beyond that. Okay. 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 Here it says gadgets and tech. Then I will double click here and change what my channel is all about. We discuss here computer, mobile devices, self-publishing, and YouTube education. So it's still in line with technology. They are all under the umbrella of technology. So I can change this here to the text that will suit me. Okay. I'm not typing what I want to have here. I say smartphone and computer. Okay, let me zoom in. Smartphone and computer plus self-publishing plus YouTube education. Okay, so I have to expand this so that it will contain the text. Okay, so I want everything to be in one line. So I'll drag this. So I have to change the font size. So click inside the text box, Control A, select all the text, then reduce. All right, so I think I have a better design here. So I will then zoom out. Remember, we are not going out of this safe area. Okay, so we must have everything inside here. Better. All right. Then I refer to my channel as Technology Academy. So I have to introduce that here. Okay, so we go to text, then add heading. Okay, so let me type it Technology Academy. Don't worry, we change the text color. So here I can then change the text color, Control A. Then I can give it white. So click here to choose a new color of your choice. Good. So I can reduce this and change the font size as well. Control A, then I'll go low. So the more you click, the smaller the size. The more you click, the smaller the text becomes. Okay, okay, okay. I think I have something nice. I'll click out, click on it again, and then drag it up. Godwin Technology Academy. Okay. Then this Godwin Tech, I have to still change the color of the text. So I'll click here. Let me assign some white to it. All right. Godwin Tech. Yeah. Okay. So we have a simple design here. So I want to bring this now. I'll click on it and drag it in. But I will reduce it. Don't forget, always be in this safe area. This is our guidelines and this area, very important. Don't go out of this place. Otherwise, your banner will not show across all devices, okay? So very important. So everything is happening inside this circle, inside this area, this safe area. So now we need to change this image here. I have a logo that I designed for my channel, so I'm going to bring it in. So I'll click on uploads, upload file, then I'll get to picture. So you know where you saved your own logo if you're using logo. Okay, Godwin Tech. I've already removed the background, so I'll double click on it for it to be introduced into the editor. Okay, once it has loaded, I will then drag and drop it so that it will replace this guy here. So drag and then drop. You can see. Okay, so we have something nice here. Good. I can take further steps and change this, the background of this design, okay, this particular safe area. So I'll click on it for it to be selected. This design that looks like rectangle. Then I'll click here. I need a kind of blue. All right, this is fine. This is Godwin Tech. So I can drag this down a little. But because of this change we made now, this our text is no longer obvious as it's not clear for larger audience to see. So we have to change the text. So I'll click on it for it to be selected. I'm still going to use white for it. So I'll click here and select white. Okay, that's a white color, right? Yeah, that's a white color. So I can now increase the text size again, the text size. Okay, no, very well. Everything must be inside this safe area. Why did I touch this? Okay, so this is a simple design. Godwin Tech, Technology Academy, smartphone and computer, plus self-publishing, plus YouTube education. Let's take a look here. There's a design here we need to remove. So I've clicked on it, then press the backspace key, or you can still click on the delete icon. It's gone. So we have something cool. So it's now time for us to download this into our PC and then review it across all devices. So let me give it a name. Good. Then click on share, select download, select download. So let's get to our YouTube channel and upload it. Then visit my YouTube channel, the studio, YouTube studio. The next step is to click on customization, click on branding. Then here we have my current banner. So I'll click on change. And now navigate to downloads. Click on this and click on open. Okay. So click on done. Then come up here and click on publish. Publish. So go to your channel. And as you can see, everything is showing clearly here. So let's get to mobile and see if we are going to see everything clearly as well. So I will tap on YouTube app. Then it opens. I will tap on my profile. Tap on view channel. And you can see Godwin Technology Academy, everything is being seen very clearly. Okay, nothing is hidden. Smartphone plus computer plus self-publishing plus YouTube education. This is the best way you can create your banner in easy steps. I hope you find this guide helpful. Please, if it does help, consider subscribing to my channel by hitting the subscribe button. Here we discuss more on technology and some tips on YouTube. And I know you will find the contents on this channel very helpful. Hit the like button for YouTube to share this video to more people. And also leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you feel about this video. To watch a related video to this, consider watching this content. Thank you and see you some other time.